Before we deliver your brand new electric dryer, make sure it's the proper fit. Double check the height, width, and depth of the area the dryer will sit, and do a walkthrough of the delivery path. Measure the doorways, hallways, and other obstacles to ensure the appliance can fit. And make sure the dryer door will have enough clearance to fully open. This dryer requires a 240-volt electric outlet, so ensure that you have the correct outlet within reach of the power cord. You will either have a 3-prong or 4-prong outlet. Existing connections will not be reused. A new electric cord and a new dryer duct are required. Keep in mind that delivery agents cannot hardwire electric dryers during installation. And finally, make sure your old dryer is empty before we arrive, so we can easily haul it away. Delivery and setup will go smoothly if you follow these helpful tips, giving your appliance the proper fit.